We got a ductwork insulation issue under the house, so we're going to go under here and take a look and see what we need to do. I brought a bunch of stuff, so we'll see what we need to do. Okay, this is the issue. They put some ductwork in here and cut our membrane holding the insulation under the house, and just ripped the hell out of it. So we need to patch that. We'll look it over. And God, they hacked her. Hacked her. It just goes up to the bottom. Right into the duct vent. As if the duct vent right there. I'm gonna look it over and see if I can come up with an idea how to fix that. I'm gonna build a support collar of sorts with the plywood, and I think that I'll have 2x4 on each side, screwed to the floor above, and then I would make a collar, say 18-inch diameter in the center, maybe 30-inch diameter, and screw the collar to the 2x4s that are hanging, and that would also support the membrane that's hanging down there. Then we could staple that torn membrane right to the collar, and foam where we can't get. Fix that floor. Okay, 2 at 24. I'm going to hang these from the floor joists at a predetermined height, and I'm going to put some plywood, cut some plywood, and use that as a donut to go around the duct. That's the plan. Okay, there's my collar. Made it out of 3/4, 16 inches diameter in the center, and then I got a 7-inch lip all the way around, and we're going to go around that pipe with the collar. We're going to have some framing lumber up here that will give me a foundation for the collar. I was going to hang 2x4s off of plumber's tape, but that ductwork that got a piece of duct that comes this way and goes back. That's exactly about 5.5 inches off the floor framing. So if I use 2x6s on this side and this side, that'll bring it down to be a solid connection. And then we can just screw the donut right to the 2x6. give that a go. Okay, I got a joist right here, and I got joist right there. That's 24-inch on center, and that's going to be about perfect for the donut. So I'm going to go get a couple pieces of 2x6. We'll put them up. Okay, everything's insulated. We've got our 2x6s in, one on each side. And I've got half of the donut in on that back side. So I'm going to pull this stuff out. And we'll put some tape on it. And then I'll put the donut on. Okay, here's our collar. All the way around. So the duct is secure, totally secure. Okay, that penetration there where the gas line comes down or goes up the condensate pump line here. Then Dave's cleaning that condensate pump out, and then we'll put that in where we'll be done over here.